Good morning, fellows. Today I want to perform condenser cleaning again. This one unit is full of dirt. As you can see here, so many dust. Dust. So no need to remove this fan blade or the motor because this motor is protected, shielded. So it's okay to perform general cleaning, and then after the cleaning it will dry the motor, so the motor is will safe, it will not damage. So now I am going to perform general cleaning of this condenser. So I already checked the connection of the wiring. So this is off. This is my portable pressure washer. So start now. Look at this. As you can see, you see the difference between pressurized and not clean. So this area is clean. So but this area is not. Remember, always clean the condenser. If the condenser is dirty, it's a big effect and cooling. It will not give good cooling in the system because the refrigerant flows, not the heat of the refrigerant system, the pumping of the compressor. When the refrigerant passing through the condenser, the refrigerant is not discharged properly, so it will cause a big effect and cooling. So that's all. Thank you.